Hi now. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So today I'll be doing a fruit popsicle, and yeah, so I have some water here because the fruit is so sweet. Because the fruit is so sweet, I'll be using water. And I have a tray here of 6. Yes, now. Yes. Yes. So we basically, what I have here is I have some melon. I have some jackfruit. I have some banana, some mangoes, some pines, some star apple, yes, and some worm and some gummy bear. Oh my goodness, I just ate one of my gummy bears. Oh my goodness. She's so tempted to eat the sweets, you guys. Okay, so yeah, so this is everything that I have on the plate right here, and I will be using to do this video. Okay guys, so let's get started. So first, do you want to help Mommy? Do you want to help Mommy now?
Yes.
Okay, so she's gonna help me. Alright, so you're gonna take up one melon and put inside one of it. Okay, so you're gonna put in this one. Alright, take up another one. Take up another one. Put in this one. Good job. Take up another one. Put in this one right here. Good job. Take up another one. Put in this one. Good job. Another one. Put in this one. Good job. And last one. Put in this one. Good job. So now we're gonna put the pine. So put all the pines. Pine. One in here. Good job. Another pine. This one. Good job. Another pine. This one. No, this one. Good job. Another pine. This one. Good job. Another pine. Okay, put in this one. This one. Good job. Another pine. Last pine. It's in the last one. Good job. Alright, so now we're gonna take up the star apple. Take up one. It's in this one. Good job. Take up another one. Alright, put in this one. Good job. Take up another one. Oopsie. Put in this one. Good job. Take up another one. Put in this one. Alright. Take up another one. Put in this one. Good job. Another one. Put in this one. Good job. Alright, so let's continue. We're gonna take up a banana. Okay, put in this one. Good job. Another banana. Put in this one. Good job. This one. Good job. Another banana. This one. Good job. Another banana. This one. Good job. Another banana. Put in this one. Oops. Let me help you. Good job. Alright, now you're going to take up mango. Yeah, take out the mango. Put in this one. Good job. Take up another mango. And this one. Good job. Another mango. And this one. No, pumpkin. Wrong one. You put it in the wrong one. Okay, it's gone. Take up another one. Put in this one. This one. This one. Alright. Take up another one. Good job. This one. Drop it in this one. Alright, good job. Pick up the last one. This one right here. This one. All right, good job. So messy. When you have kids, it's super messy. All right, you're gonna take up the jackfruit now.
Yay.
Okay, put it in this, yeah. Drop it in that one. This one, Pumpkin. Okay, take up another one. This one. Okay, good job. This one, right here. Okay, take up another one. Oh, no, wrong one. This one. Oh my goodness. And put it in this one. Have to be watching her. This one. Okay, good job. Yes. All right, now we're gonna put a sweetie. All right, take up one worm and put it in each worm. Okay. Yeah, put the worm here. Good job. Right here. Good job. Put one right here. Over this side. Okay, good job. Over this one, Pumpkin. Okay, good job. And then last worm. Put it here, right here. This one. Good job. Let me help you. Alright, take up a gummy bear now. Yes, sweetie. Put it in each. Alright, take up another gummy bear. This one. No, wrong one. That one. Alright, take up another gummy bear. This one. Woo! Okay, it's there. Take up another one. Over this side. Okay. Take up another one. This side, Pumpkin. No. Put it right here. Good job. And another one. Okay. No. Right here. Alright, good job. Alright, let it stay, Mama. Let it stay. Yeah, so Mommy's gonna throw the water on it. Let it stay, Pumpkin. Let it stay. Yeah, we're gonna put it in the fridge, okay? Alright, let it stay. I'm gonna help you now, okay? Mommy help you. So we're gonna throw some water in it because it's so sweet. Like, I don't want to put anything else on it. Alright, yes, water. Alright. Yes, Pumpkin. Okay. Alright. So now, alright. So, hold on, my baby. Hold on, Mommy baby. Alright, so we gotta make sure it's firm. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think this one needs some more water. Alright. Hold on. Oopsie. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours. And yes, we'll come back to it. Wow. Let's see. Wow. So we're basically waiting for it to finish. Now it's eating melon. Okay guys, so I just took out these out of the freezer.
Wow, ice cream.
And I think it's ice cream. So this is how it looks, you guys. After about 7 hours. Oh my goodness.
Mommy?
Yes, okay?
I know ice cream.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to see if I can take it out now to show you guys. Okay, now take out the one. Which one do you want?
Yellow.
You want the yellow one?
Yes.
Alright, take up the yellow one.
Yeah.
Ooh, come show everybody. You guys, you just push it in her mouth. Yes, so this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, she put it.
It's a roll. Boom.
Yes.
Yes.
So guys, this is what it looks like. So it's packed with all the fruits inside. And all of them is basically the same. And as I stated before, I put water because the fruits are sweet. So I choose the water. Yes. She wants all of them. Yummy. Yeah. So this is all of them, you guys. Nally's trying all of them. She can't wait. Oh my goodness. Alright, my baby. So you can eat away, okay? So you have to choose one. Let me put the rest back in the fridge, okay? That one. Alright. Oh my goodness. She's not gonna stop for the day. Do you want to tell everyone thank you? Nal?
Thank you.
Alright, you want to tell them to like, share, comment, and subscribe? You want to say like, share, comment, and subscribe? Oh my goodness, she's just worried about eating. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. We love you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I like it.
Okay, she's just you guys. Alright, she's gonna do this over and over and over, okay? So we're gonna enjoy the fruits. You guys, this is so fruity. Oh my goodness, I just tasted and it's completely delicious, okay? It is so fruity and nice. And the water is fine. You don't have to use any juice or anything. The water is just fine because it's very fruity and sweet, okay? You eating?
Whoa.
It's yummy. It's yummy. It's fruity. Delicioso. She's enjoying her fruit in her little popsicle.
Banana.
Banana, you eat a banana? Banana is yellow. All that good stuff.
Pink.
Fruit smells so good. It's a fun way to get kids to eat their fruits. Yes. Good job.
Mom.